Doing April.
I'm opening a new pedal.
Why have you got a knife in your hand?
Because it's fun.
Okay.
Ready?
Don't cut yourself, please.
I won't. Cutting away. Bubble wrap.
It's just boxes within boxes within boxes. Oh my god, be careful.
Gosh. More bubble wrap.
It's a shiny one. Let's close. Okay.
It is. A bit of silver action going on.
Look at that. Okay.
Girl. I thought it was an octopus at first.
So did I actually. Okay, well, we will update to see what it might do.